and had something for me too, man. I could have went to fuck the jail tonight fucking with you, man. You talking about you on these blocks, you on that block. You ain't on neither fucking block, man. And I feel some type of way, dog. I mean, I run them streets up Abu Dhabi. You a new jack, man. Listen, man, dig this, man. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I had something for me too, babe. Like I said, whenever I do see you, man, that's my word, dog. And I feel some type of way about this shit, cause you jeopardizing my freedom, man. That's some nut-ass nigga shit, broke-ass nigga shit. I don't know what type of time you on, but we most definitely gonna find out.
If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to send your message with no. Thank you.
I ain't playing with that nigga, man. Crack that motherfucking nigga skull, man. That man shit, man. Yeah, I'm gonna ask the nigga how many Xanax he got. Take that nigga shit, man. I'm fucking weed. Catch this bus out, smoke some weed, man. God with that shit, man. For real, man. For real, man. I feel some type of way about that shit, man. That's when that shit had me fucking come up there. And nigga, we trying to make some fucking paper. You see this shit, man? Got my man on some dumbass shit. Know what I'm saying? I mean, he run me up there. Nigga want this. We get up there and there's a whole bunch of bullshit. Look, man. Like I said, I ain't trying to hear that shit you talking. You know how shit go. Yeah, there's a couple bullshit.